Hi everyone, so today's lesson is about the schwa vowel. This is actually a very important vowel in English, probably the most important vowel in English because we use it the most. It's the sound of and it's a very relaxed sound. If you listen to English, you will hear it all the time. You will hear people say, uh-huh, uh-uh, um, um, uh, you will hear it all the time. If you listen to my little lesson today, I'm sure you'll hear me do at least one when I am thinking. So this is the sound of English. It's the sound we make when we are thinking, when we are pausing. We use it all the time. And today's lesson is going to show you where are some of the places that we use this schwa vowel. Now, in order to make the schwa vowel, what you want to do is relax. So you want to relax your jaw, relax your muscles here, relax your mouth and your tongue. Let your tongue lie low, very relaxed. Open your mouth just a little bit. Try to repeat after me. Like in the word up, has the sound. Now, today what we're learning about is where the schwa is used in unstressed words and unstressed syllables. Because the schwa vowel can actually be used in many words in English. So let's go ahead and take a look. I have a list here of words that all have schwa vowels in them. Pronounce this word for me. Receive. Receive. Now you might want to say receive. But most English speakers, especially in California and the United States, would not say receive. They would say receive. Receive. Of course, it's going quickly. So the stressed part of this word is actually over here on sieve. So that part has to have a very clear vowel. Receive. This part does not have to have a clear vowel. So it actually stops sounding like re, and it sounds like this schwa. Schwa. Pronounce for me. Ra. Receive. Repeat after me. Receive. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's such an important sound. It even has its own name and its own special symbol that looks like that. If you look in your dictionary, your English dictionary, you will see that symbol everywhere. It's in a lot of words in English. Okay, try again for me. Receive. Good. Try this one. Decide. Good. Where's the schwa in this word? Do you know? Yeah, it should be right here on the duh. It cannot be here on our stressed part. We want to have a clear vowel on our stressed part. But on the unstressed part, the DE, we don't have to say decide. We can say duh. Decide. Decide. Gives it a very natural, relaxed sound. Very relaxed when you pronounce it duh. Decide. How about this word? Mountain. Mountain. Which part is important? Which part is stressed? Because then we know that needs a clear vowel. Which part is stressed? Mountain. Good, mound. And it is making an ow, which is correct for that spelling. Mountain. Now, this part here does not sound the way that it's spelled. It does not sound like tain. It sounds like tin. This is a type of schwa. Now, schwa is not always exactly the same. Sometimes it's an sometimes it's more like a but it's very close to an sound. This one I pronounce a little higher, like a I. Mountain is how I pronounce that one. Try it for me. Mountain. Yeah, good. Salad. Yeah, good. Which part of that word is important? Nice. This part's stressed. So this part is where we get our schwa. Lid. Pronounce for me, lid. Now what's confusing is that L-A-D is actually a word in English that we pronounce lad. Pronounce for me, lad. Good. But here inside of the word, when it's an unstressed part, it's not lad. It's lid. So we want it not to be equal to lad. You don't want to pronounce it like lad, right? pronounce it lid. Everybody for me? Salad. Salad. Yes, nice. Okay, try this one. Believe. Believe. Good. The important part is leave. Nice. Now this has B on the beginning, and we know that word in English. We often use the word be. But let's try to make that a schwa sound. Let's not pronounce it as B. Let's pronounce it B. Believe. Believe. Good. Try after me. Believe. Very nice. Let's do one more. Tomorrow. Try for me. Tomorrow. Which part is most important there? Good. It should be on ma. One more time. Tomorrow. Very nice. Now, we have two unstressed syllables, and I want you to notice they don't both become schwa. In schwa is an option. Not all unstressed syllables become schwa. Lots and lots of unstressed syllables become schwa, but not all. In this case, two could become schwa, ta, tomorrow, but this one needs to stay o, so we can't change that one to schwa. Try for me, tomorrow. Now in this case, we know the word to really well, but we're trying to make it not tomorrow. We're trying to do it ta, tomorrow, tomorrow. Okay, good. Let's try these words one more time for me. Receive. Good. Pronounce after me. Decide. Good. Try again. Tin. Mountain. Good. Lid. Salad. Believe. Tomorrow. Okay, really nice. So those are examples of schwa inside unstressed syllables. But I want to show you a couple more things, because it's not just inside of longer words and unstressed syllables that we use schwa. It's also inside of small words. Small words that are not important also can become schwa. So like to the car or to the car. Okay, we probably don't want to use the clear vowels. To the car. We don't want to use the clear vowels in normal fluent speech. We would want to use schwas. To the car. To the car. To the car. Like I tell my children, let's go to the car. To the car. Yes, and to becomes ta. Very fast and quick and quiet. To the car. To the car. Repeat after me. To the car. Good. Also, small words like and become very small vowels, such that it almost just sounds like n, like a schwa and an n. Like the name of the restaurant maybe, in and out, in and out. And all you hear is in. This whole word became smaller and became a schwa sound, n. Try for me, in and out. Yeah, very nice. And they actually spell it just with the end to show that sound. Okay, so we know schwa can come in unstressed syllables. It can come on unstressed words as well. And in fact, the schwa helps you in pronouncing the difference between these two here. Many, many times I have students who say they have trouble with can versus can't. And if you are pronouncing them alone, you will use clear vowels. Can, can't. But inside a sentence, we don't pronounce clear vowels. We only pronounce clear vowels on the stress, on the important words. So like this word here, stressed. This word here is stressed. And negatives, this word here is stressed. But this word here is normally not stressed, and so it can become can. Pronounce for me, can. Okay, try the whole sentence. I can go. One more time, I can go. Now try the second one with a clear vowel here. I can't go. Try again, I can't go. So you should hear a clear vowel on the stressed negative. And you should hear an unclear vowel, a schwa, here on the unstressed can. Try again for me. I can go. I can't go. Okay, tell me if you hear number 1 or number 2. I can go. Okay, you should have said number 1. Try again. I can't go. All right, you should have heard number 2. Try again. I can't go. Should have heard number 2. I can go. I can go. Should have heard number 1. Okay, good. Hopefully you're hearing that schwa difference for the I can go versus I can't go. When you pronounce the word alone by itself, I can, we use a clear vowel. But inside of sentences, it changes because it's not important. It becomes kin. Okay, so now we know what is the schwa. It's that sound. We use it in our unstressed syllables. Not all, but many of them. We use it for unstressed words as well. And it is especially helpful when we're looking at unstressed words like I can go. And we've got that sound of kin in there. Okay, so that is our lesson for the schwa vowel. Have fun practicing your schwa.